Hi guys! We are the Group 6. We are going to demonstrate how to use basic Cisco Packet Tracer.
A packet tracer is a cross-platform visual simulation tool designed by Cisco systems that allow users to create network topologies and imitate modern computer networks. The software allows users to simulate the configuration of Cisco routers and switches using a simulated command line interface.
Let's get started!
To make a simple packet network, first, click the router icon in the device area. Choose 1841 router and place in the workplace area. Next is to click End Devices, choose Generic PC and place it beside the router. Repeat to add another PC. To connect them, add connectors wire and choose the copper crossover keyboard. Click on PC 0, click Fast Ethernet, while in the control the router in keyboard to other. End of the router and click Fast Ethernet 0/0. Repeat to the PC 1. And connect the router, choose Fast Ethernet. You can now set up a network to make it work.
Click router 0 and click CLI command. There is a question, just type no. Then enter to start. Type enable to enter privilege exact mode. Type config D and then hostname router 0 to name the router. Then next, enable secret class. And then linecon 0. Then password Cisco. Log in to enable password. Type exit and type line VTY 0 space 4. The next, type password Cisco, then log in to enable the password requirements, and then exit. Enter interface fast Ethernet 0/0. The next, use IP address 192.168.1.1. Then space, and for the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Router 0, fast Ethernet 0/0. Then enter no shutdown. Then type exit back to the global configuration. Repeat with interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Then IP address 192.168.2.1 and the subnet mask 5.255.255.0. Next, description router 0 fast Ethernet 0/1. And don't forget to type no shutdown. Then type exit and exit. Then type show running -config. It will show building configuration. Click enter and enter until it will show end and the router 0 with a number sign. Then next thing to do, copy running -config space startup config startup-config. And now you can see a destination file name. Router configuration is now complete. To configure the PC, go to desktop tab, then click IP configuration. Set the IP address to 192.168.1.2. Then click the subnet mask. Then for the default gateway, use 192.168.1.1. Then close the tab. Repeat with the PC1. Go to desktop and IP configuration. For the IP address, use 192.168.2.2. And for the default gateway, use 192.168.2.1.
Let's try pinging PC1 from PC0. Click PC0. Click command prompt. Type ipconfig. You can see the IP details, submit mask, and default gateway. Enter the command ping 192.168.2.2. To ping PC, at first you may say request timeout, but after that the ping show successful, close the command prompt. And at the bottom right corner, there's a clock or real-time tab. Behind it there's a simulation. Click it and click edit filters. Click show all none. Click ICMP and then click auto capture play. The message will send to the router, then the PC0 and back to the PC1. You can see that the envelope is checked. Then it means it was successful.
First, click the end devices and choose generic PC and place it in the workplace. Repeat at PC to make it 4. And then click switch device and choose generic switch. Generic switch. Click it, the generic switch. And repeat to add a second switch. Then click the router device and in the device area and choose generic router and place it in the workplace area. And repeat with router 1. And then click the automatically line, connect the PC to generic switch. And then click the PC1 and connect to the generic switch. Connect and connect. And adjust. Connect and connect. Next thing to do is click this note and decide to put an IP address on the switch and put 192.168.1.0. And same thing to do. Click the note and put the IP address 192.168.2.0. In the router 1 and the router 0, put 10.12.1.0. And then next thing to do is click the PC0, find the desktop, and click the IP configuration and put 192.168.1.2. Click the subnet mask and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1 and close it. Go to the PC1, click that PC1, go to the desktop and click the IP configuration and put the IP address 192.168.1.3. Click the subnet mask and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1 and close it. Click the PC2 and click the desktop, click the IP configuration, and the IP address is 192.168.2.2. Click the subnet mask and the default gateway is 192.168.2.1 and close that. Click the desktop, find the IP configuration, and click the IP address. And the IP address is 192.168.2.3. And click the subnet mask and the default gateway is 192.168.2.1 and close it.
Click router 0 and choose fast Ethernet. Use 192.168.1.1. And don't forget to on the port status. Click router 1, choose fast Ethernet, and put 192.168.2.1. and click on status. Close the tab. Click router 0 and go to serial 2/0. Use 10.12.1.1. And don't forget to on. Click router 1 and go to serial 2/0 and use 10.12.1.2. Don't forget to on. Click router 0, choose RIP, and write 192.168.1.0 for the network, and click add to add other IP address. 10.12.1.0 and add, close the tab. Click router 1 to RIP and use 192.168.2.0 and click the add and type another IP. Use 10.12.1.0 and add, close the tab. Click the router 0 to change the clock rate. Go to serial and change it to 64,000. Close the tab. Click the yellow folder and add or put it into router 0. Then router 1. Repeat to PC0 and PC2. Behind the real time, click it to show simulation in simulation mode. Click auto capture play for us to see if the message will be successfully sent. Wait for a while to show if it is successful. As you can see, in the simulation mode, it says that the sending of message was successful.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones who died. Toast to the ones that we lost in the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yeah. There were times that I remember.